Good morning, and I guess you could tell it's actually morning and not nighttime that I'm making lunches. But I have an excuse. Today I'm making lunches early in the morning because I'm sending a smoothie to school. I've never done that before. I don't know how much these smoothies are gonna separate, and I don't know if they will not taste very good. But I'm gonna use a recipe that I've used before, and it's gonna be a green smoothie. And I'm gonna pair it with a wrap. But I'm in a hurry because I'm running late as usual. So I wanna do this quick, and let's cross our fingers. So this should be pretty quick. Okay, so first we're gonna do the wrap. I'm gonna start assembling, and we're gonna try this new vegan black bean chipotle burger because I told you guys it's vegetable week here in my house. So this should be pretty quick. Okay, so let me show you how I made it. I've already wrapped one up, and I put on the side the pickles and the tomato, which doesn't seem like a lot, but you kind of eat it like a taco, and it gets pretty full. And it's very filling, and plus we're gonna have a smoothie with it and chips on the side, so that's plenty of food. But let me show you how I made it. So you start with the tortilla, then I'm gonna slather on some cream cheese, like that. Then I'm gonna add a few slices of avocado on top. And then you can even kind of smush those down like so. Gonna add a lettuce leaf, crunch it down there like that. And then look, I'm gonna add a black bean burger. So I'm gonna slice it in just two. I'm only doing a half of a black bean burger because otherwise it just ends up not being enough room for all of this stuff. So I want there to be plenty of vegetables. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of cilantro off, put that on here, some carrots, and some cucumber. So that's all I'm putting in it right now when I wrap it up. I'm gonna take some saran wrap. You guys have seen me do this before. I use my slider. I'm gonna kind of wrap it up like a taco. Pull this down. And there we go. And then on the side, taking a plastic bag, I'm only gonna add a couple of tomatoes and a few pickles. That's it. Good, healthy repertoire of food so that you have a good, where you eat lots of different types of fruits and vegetables, and not just the same things over and over again. So that's what keeps you healthy. Okay, round two. We're making a smoothie, people, and we're sending it to lunch. So you don't even know I've been trying to do this for like 2 months. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me show you what we need. And I've got 4 minutes. All of this I froze ahead of time. So I have 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of frozen fruit, which I'll show you. I used this that I got at Aldi, and 1 cup of frozen spinach. I don't think it has to be frozen, but I froze it anyway, and I also got that at Aldi. So this is all here. So into my blender, 1 cup of water, and I have 1 cup of spinach and 1 cup of frozen veggies. All right, there we go. I have my frozen banana. All right, let's start. Okay, let me taste it. Mm-hmm. That's good too. One more thing I wanted to tell you, just so that I know, because I'm going to be very curious. I'm going to be able to find out. I made one back here somewhere, right here. How badly it separates, if it stays cold, if it's total mush, or if it's total delish. So I know it's a risk, but I was going to take it. Okay, we just got back from pickup from picking everybody up. Ooh, I look hot. I look hot, but I'm cold. I don't know why my face is hot. Anyway, my kids, every single one of them, when they got in the car, told me that their smoothies were still frozen and delicious at lunch. Does anybody want to say anything? I'm trying to get that. They don't want to be on camera. They don't want to say anything. Y'all are so rude.
You just said that we were saying that it stayed cold.
Right.
Whenever, yeah, you just said it. What did we have to say
I want
now?
you to say yeah. Was
Yeah.
it good?
Yeah, it was tasty good.
Thank you, Phoebe. Okay. So you heard it there. Reporting live. Thank you.
End it.